Hello everyone. So this is Presola again. So I had a discussion with some guys on my social media, and I posted that if a candle week ups and down, they should follow whichever path that the new candles, the trend. I mean, close to close at. So in this case, I want to use this video to explain it further so that you can add this to your trading arsenal. So now, how does this goes? You can see we have a week upside there, which this Bitcoin chart on a 4 hour time frame. It's closed at 38, then 37 900 and something actually. Then it goes down again up to like 35 700 plus. So and at the end of the day, it doesn't close at that top, and it doesn't also close down here. It creates a wick of the candle, and the upside up there, and it also creates a wick down here like this. So now, what I mean in this case is that, there's this thing when you first start trading or where you are still new in the trading industry, whereby they tell you that when there's a week, that means they have killed all the buyers up there. They have killed them. But in this situation now, what will you think? Have they killed all the seller too? Because what really happened in this situation is that there are buyers pushing this market up, 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 and they get to this point, but then there are some seller that comes in and push the market back down to this point, and then the market close at this area. So now the market continue going down on the new candles also, and then get to this point, and then there are buyers also that comes in and then push this market up to this level as well. So in this situation, how does trader handle this kind of situation? You don't have to be you don't have to follow every candle. It's like jumping on trade on every candle that you see, because it's lack of not knowing that may cause a trader thinking, okay, because they have pushed the market down with a week, then you want to jump in a trade, expecting to get down here. What you should be doing as a person, as a trader, I mean, is to avoid anything that happened from here down to this level. Avoid everything that happened over there until when the market close above, either above of the week, or it close up below of this week which we have over here. So that is when you can make a decision whether you want to enter a trade, or you want to I want to delete that. So that's when you can, and what I mean by that is this. So let us assume the market goes up here, then it doesn't close up there, it creates a week, this week, long week. So you have to wait if the market is actually going down. So continue going down and then close below this week over here. If it close below that week, then you can make a decision of shorting the market to any point that is going. And also if it's actually going up, you can also decide to follow it until it's close above this point. When it close above that wick of the candle, then you can say, okay, it's going up, and then you make a decision trading it upside like that. If not, if it doesn't close above either of the wick of the candle, you avoid the market for that period of time. The reason is because if you try to jump into the trade with this kind of situation, whatever it is that you already know about a week of the candle before, throw them out of the window, because they are useless in this kind of situation. This is purely price action trading style, because you are not judging the market based on emotion again. Because with this, okay, currently now Bitcoin is actually at it have been trending upside for a couple of days, and some people have not believed that we are in a bull run yet. But I and only few others believe we are in a bull run, and then the market continue going up. If you still have this mindset that you are still in the bear market, and you decide to short this market from here down to anywhere you think it's going to, it's going to cost you your stop loss. It will just keep getting your stop loss kick every time if this market continue going up and close above this point to continue going up. But if it actually close below this point and you short it, then you have a reason, at least you have an edge at least to do so. Now let me show you another example of this kind of situation. We have one over here. We have a week of the candle over here, and we also have a week created with the same candle actually, not like the previous one that I show you guys. So look at this, and what do you see over there? We have a wick of the candle created, a long wick downward, a long wick upward, and which one close first? Even that the market goes up and come back down this big, it doesn't close below that wick. And what happen next? We have a parabolic move upside which close above this point. And what happen next? Look at the results. It goes up this big. And the next one I also have here, look at another one over here. Another one is this. Another one is this. We have a wick up, we have a wick up, a wick down. And where does market close first? It goes up and close above this point, then it goes down, it doesn't close below this point, and then what happens? It consolidates for couple a while, but then it goes up again. So, but on the other side too, being a trader, you don't have to predict the market correctly every time. Sometimes the market will go down and keep the down wick of the candle, and then continue go back up and keep the wicks of the candle at the top side also, which will make you lose in two places. So you have to also know that this is not just something that will happen or that will work like a magic. So look at the one we have here. In this situation that we have a wick of the candle over here, let us assume you are waiting for this candle now to close before you enter a trade, and then the market ended, the candle ended up closing like this, whereby we only have a long wick downside, but then only tiny wick at the top side of it. So you are confused, like where should you follow? Which market? Which do you need to long this now or short it? Do you need to buy or sell? In this kind of situation, what you can do is that you wait. If the candle will actually goes down and close below this wick of the candle, if it close below this wick of the candle, then that means there is higher probability that it continue going down. But in this situation, what happened? It closed above the wick. It doesn't close below, it goes above, go ahead, and close above this candle that we see here. And what happened? It continue the uptrend from there. So that is just it. So that's just it. You always need to follow what the market is doing. That way you will always, that's how you can actually become a good trader. Follow what the price, the market is doing, and can be in control of your portfolio.